Hey guys, TechNutso here. I'm back again with another video. In this video, we are gonna talk about the boAt Rockerz 550. I have had it for 11 months now, so it's a long-term review. So let's get started. Last year when my Apple AirPods started having issues, I thought of limiting their usage to outdoors only. So there was a chance for me to get a pair of headphones. Previously I had Sony XB450 wired headphones which I had bought in 2018. They were wired on-ear headphones so they weren't comfortable. The sound was good but the earbud cushions wore off in 2 years of its usage. So I knew what all features I wanted in my new pair of headphones. So let's talk about features first. First, over-ear headphones. Second, good music quality. Third, Bluetooth 5.0. Fourth, good build quality. Fifth, decent battery life. Sixth, price range between 5k to 10k. So I started my research on YouTube with Skullcandy, JBL, etc. The budget I had in mind was under 10k, but the products in that range had this or that issue. And no product caught my attention like the boAt Rockerz 550 did. Of the thought that when my AirPods die, I have to get the Pros. So why spend so much on headphones that I am just going to use indoors? boAt Rockerz 550 crossed my sight on Amazon as it had the tag of the bestseller. It had a decent price and good reviews, so I decided to give them a try. They were available in colors like Army Green, Black Symphony, Maroon Maverick and Red. Ordered them in black color right away. The product was delivered to me the next day as I'm an Amazon Prime member. This is the unboxing of the replacement product boAt sent me. As soon as I received the product, I unboxed it and tried them on. The box contains the headphones, a micro USB cable for charging, and there is no adapter provided in the box. There is an auxiliary cable, a booklet, a warranty card, a user manual. That's it. Let's talk about sound quality first. To my expectations, the sound was not up to what I had thought or wished. Sound is clear, but the bass is not adequate. The build is plastic, but the headband is made of steel, which is a good thing. What makes this a comfortable headset is the soft cushions and the over-ear pattern. It is also lightweight. Here's the physical overview of the product. There's boAt branding on both sides, a multifunction button, volume rockers, LED indicator, a 3.5mm jack, a micro USB port for charging, and a microphone. All this is on the right side of the headphones. To power on the headset, press and hold the multifunction button. To wake up Google Assistant or Siri, double press the multifunction button. Single press the multifunction button to answer and hang up calls or play and pause music. To decline a call, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. Press and hold volume up for the next track and volume down for the previous track. Red and blue are two LED indicators. Red stays on while charging and blue blinks when connected. This device has Bluetooth 5.0, which keeps me connected to two devices at a time. It is connected to my iPhone and iPad as soon as it is turned on. I can pause a movie in between on my iPad and check out an Instagram reel on my iPhone at the same time without the need to switch anything. This multi-device support has won me over. The battery backup on these is phenomenal. I charge them only once a week while I use them for 3 hours daily. It is fully charged in less than 2.5 hours. At times, I also pair it with my LG TV when I want to enjoy content on big screen without bothering anyone. Let's talk about gaming with these on. I play BGMI on my iPad with Rockerz 550. There is actually no delay in sound, the footsteps are also clear. And the volume is also appropriate. They are not professional gaming headsets, but yeah, you can do casual gaming with them. Every product has its pros and cons. So as we have seen the pros, now let's talk cons. The sound is good but not great, as the bass is not adequate, but can't complain at the given price point. The mic quality is not up to the mark. This is a sample I am recording from the microphone of the Rockerz 550. You be the judge. While wearing these, the outside environment is audible, so the claim they make of physical noise isolation is not true. At high volumes, the sound does leak. That is, the people around you can listen to what you are listening to on your headphones. boAt could have given a Type-C port for charging instead of the micro USB port, because most of the budget Android smartphone nowadays come with the Type-C port. The battery backup is great, but at 10% battery, it will give you verbal notification every 2 minutes saying battery low. This ain't a big issue, but it's annoying to me at least. This month only I started facing issues with the microphone. So I went to my nearest service center, filled out a Google form, mailed the invoice and submitted my headset to them. They issued and delivered the replacement to me at my address in just 4 days. I am impressed by the after sales service of the boAt. I will surely give their other products a try. boAt, if you are listening, let's collab. So here's the verdict. So if you want a bang for buck product, surely get the boAt Rockerz 550. There are cons to it, but they can be neglected at the price point. They are currently on sale at around 1700 rupees on Amazon, and I can say they provide the value worth of their price. So here I end my video. This was my perspective on the boAt Rockerz 550. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.